Good morning, children. Yesterday we have completed the lesson and true or false and tick the correct sentences. So now today we go to answer these questions with reference to the context. First one, the villagers burst into joyful chatter after so long the promise of water, an end to all their problems at last, dreading a drought, a thing of the past. Now A, why were the villagers so excited? Why were the villagers excited? They were very excited because they were going to get water in their village. B, what problems were the villagers facing? They were facing the problem of drought, that means lack of water. C, why was the fear of drought going to be a thing of the past? The fear of drought was going to be a thing of the past because they were going to have a well in their village. Now number 2, the villagers heard the deafening sound and a horde of them headed to the mound, leaving the farming and cooking behind. How could they work with this on your mind? A, what was the deafening sound? What was the deafening sound? You remember the poem? The deafening sound was the sound of the drilling machine. And B, why did the villagers go towards the mound? They went towards the mound to see whether water was coming out. And C, why did the villagers find it difficult to work? They found it difficult to work because they were very excited, thinking that they were going to get water. They were going to dig a well in the village and they would have no more problems of lack of water. Now third one. When even the third hole was dry and rejected, the engineer looked so bleak and dejected that his maps and reports he began to tear. The villagers were filled with dark despair. A, what did they expect to find in the third hole? So the third time the engineer drilled, still he could not find water. So the villagers expected to find water in the third hole. What caused the engineer to tear his maps and reports? Now why did the engineer wanted to tear the maps and reports? Because he was angry, he was sad, because he could not find water. C, why were the villagers filled with dark despair? Dark despair means very, very sad. Why were they sad? Because even after drilling 3 times, the engineer could not find water in their village. 4. Just then a farmer with kind and wise eyes said, if you don't mind, I have some advice. I believe that water can be found there. He pointed to a termite mound. A, why did the farmer think that water would be found near the termite mound? Because the farmer had read many books. He knew, he had some knowledge about getting water in which all places. So he said that wherever the termite makes a hill, because they need water for their nest, surely you will be able to find water there. So B, did the engineer take his advice? Why? The engineer took his advice because he knew that sometimes the old farmer might be correct. So he thought of trying out the farmer's advice. Now the think and answer, D and E don't want children. Now we'll go to play with the words, worksheet F. The farmer says that we need to pay heed to nature's clues. Some words are used together in a fixed manner. Circle all the words in each set which can be used with the words in capitals. Attention, number 1. Attention means the correct word for attention is pay attention, not give, need or provide. Second one, knowledge. Acquire, find, make, impart. Impart knowledge. That means to give knowledge, to teach knowledge to someone. 3. A dream. Complete, have, fulfill or realize. We say fulfill a dream. 4. Advice. Seek, heed, offer, pursue. seek advice, to ask for advice. 5. A promise, create, honor, make or save. Make a promise. Now look it up. G. Complete these sentences with appropriate phrases from the box. Refer to a dictionary for help. The helicopter took off with a dash. You can see some words given there in the box. It is deafening sound. 2. Unless we have a good monsoon, the chances for a bumper crop look bleak this year. 3. The children's faces were wreathed in smiles as they talked to their sports idol. It is wreathed in smiles. 4. This park is always very crowded. There are a lot of people milling around even late in the evening. And 5. The Indian team took a victory lap around the stadium waving the flag. It was a wondrous sight. 6. The folk artists at the fair put up a shadow puppet show which had us entranced.